You are scrolling through your social media feed and a sleek, high budget ad for leak proof underwear catches your eye. It looks professional. The branding is on point. The promises are bold. But something feels slightly off. You click through to the website for Flux and Co., and everything seems perfect. Maybe a little too perfect. We're seeing a massive rise in these pop up brands lately. They arrive with a bang and disappear just as fast. When you dig into the data, the red flags start waving. This specific domain was only registered a few months ago. It is an infant in the world of e commerce. Yet, if you look at their landing page, they claim to have thousands of ecstatic customers. They show off a near perfect star rating. That is almost impossible for a brand that did not exist 90 days ago. Where are all these people? If you look for independent reviews on third-party sites, you will find a whole lot of nothing. There are no video deep dives from real users. There are no discussions on fashion forums. It is a closed loop of praise that they control entirely. This is a classic tactic used by sites that might not be around by next year. Then you have the high-pressure sales environment. You see the big red banners screaming 50% off today only. You see the little tickers saying only 3 items left in stock. This is designed to trigger your survival brain. It makes you feel like you are missing out on a once-in-a-lifetime deal. It stops you from doing your homework. Genuine, established brands do not usually need to scream at you to buy right this second. They let the quality of the product speak for itself over time. Another major hurdle is the return policy. Because we are talking about intimate apparel, they do not allow returns or exchanges. This is standard for hygiene, but it becomes a massive risk for the buyer when the brand is an unknown quantity. If the fabric is scratchy or the sizing is completely wrong, you have no recourse. You are just out of your hard-earned cash. Why take that gamble when the market is already full of proven names? There are dozens of leak-proof brands that have been around for a decade. They have thousands of genuine reviews on sites you can actually trust. They have customer service departments that answer the phone. When a new player like this shows up with nothing but flashy ads and a brand new website, you have to ask yourself why. It might not be an outright scam in the legal sense, but it is certainly a gamble. You are essentially paying to be a beta tester for a company that might not even have a physical office. It feels like a drop-shipping setup where the marketing is the only thing they actually invested in. Be smart with your digital wallet. If a deal feels like it was engineered to make you panic buy, it probably was. Look for the substance behind the style. If you cannot find a single person talking about a brand outside of their own website, keep your credit card in your pocket. There are better ways to spend your money than on a mystery box from a company that just popped into existence last Tuesday. Stay skeptical and keep your standards high because these fly-by-night operations are getting better at looking legitimate every single day. Do not let a glossy filter and a countdown timer fool you into a bad purchase. Trust your gut when it tells you to slow down. If a brand is truly revolutionary, they will still be here in 6 months. Wait for the real reviews to come in before you hand over your personal information. Your peace of mind is worth more than a discounted pair of mystery leggings.